Let us now all bow before Jesus, who is there before us. In this adoration, let us surrender all our thoughts, all our feelings, all our experiences, good ones and not so good ones. Feelings which make us go every day more and more out of our own control of them, which we find so terrible. Which do not allow us to be fully present to what we are doing. Let us surrender our sicknesses, bodily ailments, so that Jesus at this moment can touch us and heal us. Let us give Him all our thoughts, various kinds which do not allow us to be focused, those which keep coming to us over and over again. All that we experience which is not good, let us surrender it to Jesus at this moment. And as we surrender, let us now look at Him and sing to Him. Thank you, Lord, that you have assured me that you are with me, that your presence will take away all my thoughts that worry me, my feelings that depress me, my relationships which enslave me. Happy indeed is the man who follows not the counsel of the wicked, nor lingers in the way of sinners, nor sits in the company of scorners, but whose delight is the law of the Lord, and who ponders his law day and night. He is like a tree that is planted beside the flowing waters, that yields its fruit in due season, whose leaves will never fade, and all that he does shall prosper. Not so are the wicked, not so. For they, like winnowed chaff, shall be driven by the wind. When the wicked are judged, they shall not stand, nor find room among those who are just. For the Lord guards the way of the just, but the way of the wicked leads to doom. Thank you, Lord, for your word, which we have heard from Psalm 1. Lord, you have blessed me with your presence. May I become more and more present to you, so that with you I will do, I will think, I will speak, and I will be who I am to be in you. I will not follow wicked ways, wicked thoughts, wicked feelings. And if they are there, Lord, I will surrender them to you, so that in you I may have healing, forgiveness, peace, and joy. For your presence will make me experience your true love. And may I in return, Lord, be your loving presence to the good and the bad, to those who love and those who do not love and cannot love. May your energy, may your strength be my guide. And I bring to you, Lord, all those intentions I have in my heart. You bless them, Lord, and you heal every one of those persons I bring to you.
Sacrament.